So I made some modifications to my Kobalt 80-volt cordless trimmer. It has a Craftsman edger attachment, and I just replaced the blade with a Ryobi blade. Look at this. I think I've been doing it wrong. I've been using the old cheapo $5 heavy edger blades on this Craftsman edger, and I went down to Home Depot and paid about $7.50 for this Ryobi blade. And here it is at homedepot.com. It's about half the weight and half the thickness as that one right there. And it really works well with this Kobalt 80-volt trimmer. I also performed some maintenance on this edger attachment, greased it, and I want to show you the shield, safety shield I put on to replace the rubber one that was all torn up. The rubber one would actually catch underneath the lip there and just get ripped apart by the blade. See here? So I used a piece of aluminum from a project box and just used tin snips and cut it, drilled it, and put it on there. Works really, really well. I also did it to my second one. I'm going to give this one to my buddy, and he's going to give me his, and I'll probably modify his too. I'm not going to show you this new and improved edger system in action, but let me tell you, greatly improved the performance. Just rips the living snot out of grass and makes a really nice clean edge.